Good morning, students. Today we will study pregnancy and embryonic development under human reproduction. Pregnancy and embryonic development. After implantation, finger-like projection, chronic villi appear on the trophoblast, which is surrounded by uterine tissue and maternal blood. The chronic villi or uterine tissue become indigited with each other to form placenta. Placenta is a structural and functional unit between embryo and maternal body. Placenta is connected to the embryo by an umbilical cord. It transports substance to and from the embryo. Thus, we can see this diagram. Yolk, this is topmost is placenta, this is placenta, this is yolk, amniotic fluid that help the fetus for its movement. This uterus chronic umbilical cord, function of placenta act as barrier between the fetus and the mother, supply oxygen, nutrients, etc. from mother to fetus, remove carbon dioxide and excretory waste from fetus, act as endocrine gland. It secretes human chronic gonadotropic HCG, human placental lactogen, estrogen, progesterone, and relaxin hormone. Relaxin at the time of childbirth, that is, relaxin is produced, is also secreted by the ovary. And with the diagram, this is placenta, mother's blood, and many other function of placenta is transports of drug during pregnancy cross the placental barrier and may even cause developmental. It work as endocrine gland, also transport nutrient respiration excretion, is also help in immunity. So these are the function of placenta during pregnancy. Level of estrogen, progesterone, cortisol, prolactin, thyroxine, etc. are also increased in maternal blood. They support the fetal growth, metabolic changes in the mother, and maintain pregnancy. These levels are increased in order to maintain the growth of developing child. The germ layer give rise to all tissue. The stem cell in the inner cell mass have the potency to give rise to all the tissues and organ. They are stem cells are potency having potency that they can give rise to all other kind of organ and tissues. Human pregnancy, that is gestation period, lasts 9 months. For cat it is 2 months, for dog it is 2 months, elephant it is 11 months. Changes in embryo during pregnancy. After 1 month, heart is formed. Means that in very first month, that fertilization will occur. Zygote implant itself in the lining of uterus. Rapid cell division will occur. Embryonic state lasts for 2 week to 8 week. cell differentiation into three distinct layers: the ectoderm, the mesoderm, and the endoderm. Nerve system begins to develop for first month, and even the normal length of that embryo is 1.25 centimeter approx 2, and the nervous system begins to develop within very first month. At the end of second month, limbs and digits are developed. Within second month only, heart and the blood vessels also develop. Heart area head area that develop rapidly. Eyes begin to form in detail. Internal organ grow, especially the digestive system. Sex organ develop and gender can be distinguished within second month only. Arms and leg form and grow. Heart begins to beat. In this case, the weight of embryo is approx to 3 gram. If it is 3 gram, that is normal, it is, and the length will be approx to 2.5 centimeter. In the third month, head growth occur rapidly, bones formation begins, the digestive system begins to function, arm, leg, and the finger make spontaneous movement. Fetus is approx to 7.5 centimeter long, and the weight will be approx to 3 gram, 30 gram. In the fourth month, this is the fourth month. In the fourth month, that lower part of the body show rapid growth. Bones are distinct, relaxed, movement become more active, heartbeat can be detected, sex organs are fully formed. Fetus is 18 centimeter approximately, if it is normal, that 18 centimeter in long, and weight will be approx to 150 gram. At the end of month 6, sixth month, eye and the eyelid fully formed. Fat is developing under the skin. Fetus is approx to 35 centimeter long, and weight will be around 900 gram. In 7 month, cerebral cortex of the brain develops rapidly. Fetus is 41 centimeter long, and weight will be around 1.35 kg. At the end of 8 month, the fat is deposited for later use. Finger tips fetus is approx to 43 centimeter long, and their weight will be around 2.25 kg. And the end of near to in the month of 9 month, that hair covering the entire body is said, organ system is function actively, and the child length will be around to 54 centimeter, and weight will be around 3 kg. It may be approx to. Thank you for today.